Full Spectrum Hemp NOX is a first-of-its-kind, easy-to-apply serum utilizing both nitric oxide and full-spectrum hemp compounds. Featuring patent-pending technology, NOX activates upon contact, stimulating the skin with pure-form nitric oxide, which promotes increased capillary circulation and delivers nutrients like vitamin C, E, and organically grown hemp cannabinoids efficiently into the vast layers of cells. Greater circulation also helps bring oxygen and hydration to the skin, flushes toxins and pathogens, and promotes the turnover of new cells for profound skin purification and dermatologic balance. Enjoy noticeably brighter, firmer, and younger-looking skin using NOX, the world's first nitric oxide hemp-infused skin rejuvenation serum.
I absolutely love the NOX.
I feel like my prayers have been answered.
Right from the first time I put it on and feeling how the blood just rushes to the surface and it gets really red and firm.
Within that first hour, I could already feel like softening on my skin, and I did a after photo and put them side by side, and I couldn't even believe in an hour what was already starting to happen.
Nothing has ever opened my eyes like this, literally opened my eyes as far as inflammation. My laugh lines, they're like disappearing.
The shrinking of the darker spots on my skin has been amazing. My pores seem like they've shrunk. The skin is actually firmer and tighter.
The wrinkles are just not there.
Different sunspots on my face going away. I mean, it's amazing.
I'm gonna be 40 for the rest of my life. That's exactly how I feel. I am so excited about this product.
NOX was something that I was like, yeah, well, I'm a chiropractor, I'm a health practitioner. This skin cream thing is not going to be something I work with too much. So I bought some to just try it out, and I was really astounded. Actually, I was astounded. When you're my age, you kind of don't expect much change in your skin. And I've had some real shift, some real change in the color of my skin, the change in the wrinkles, the plumpness, everything. I was so surprised.
Day 2, I saw a significant improvement, and I actually didn't post anything because I said, I want to see where this is going to go. So by day 5, I was blown away. Forehead lines started to diminish. I said, wait a minute, wait, 5 days? 5 days, really? This product is amazing.
I got into the skincare and nutraceutical industry, so the cosmeceutical and nutraceutical industry in 2009. I know the industry is big, and so when NOX came out, I was like, hold on, we have something here. When you actually look at what NOX can create on the skin, very similar to that of a chemical peel, that of microderm, that of microneedling or the skin pen, because it's bringing the blood back to the face. That's all we do in the spa. We create trauma on the skin so that way you have what? Blood that comes back to try and heal. NOX does it without the trauma.
I have melasma and other conditions, and I have literally tried everything. I have tried microdermabrasions, I've tried chemical peels, I went under anesthesia and got laser. Like, I did it all because I'm really, really self-conscious of my skin. I actually tried NOX, and it did what it was supposed to do. It blew my mind.
5 days I started noticing changes, but then by 30 days, my changes were pretty palpable. It looked like I had a mini facelift. So I was super excited about that.
I have rosacea, and so I have to be very careful in what I use because my skin is very sensitive. But when I used it, immediately I saw a calming in my skin. It was just like all that red became neutralized, and the oil glands became neutralized. Everything became balanced.
I just feel like my skin looks so much more even when I don't have makeup on, and I love that. It makes me feel more confident throughout my day, and that is something that we need.
NOX rocks. It's microneedling in a bottle. It's microneedling in a bottle without the needles.
People want instantaneous results, and that's what the NOX provides.